3. Nucleophilic substitution reaction. What are the nucleophilic substitution reaction? Nucleophile is substituting in the substrate that is called nucleophilic substitution reactions. What are the nucleophiles which can donate electrons? Okay, those are the nucleophiles, generally OH minus, NH2 minus. Okay, even H2O also acting as a nucleophile, which are electron denser. Okay, next, electrophile means opposite, which are electron deficient. Now, nucleophilic substitution reactions here, mainly 7 reactions are there. First, with aqueous NaOH, with moisture silver oxide, with NH3, with sodium alkoxide, with alcoholic ACN, with alcoholic AgCN, with silver salt of carboxylic acid. I think you know this alcoholic AlC and AlK AQ meaning. AQ means aqueous. AQ means aqueous. That means water. AlC means alcohol. Alcohol means that is dissolved in the alcohol. Then AlK is there, that is alkaline, that means base. Okay, these are the short forms. Right. The first one, aqueous KOH. Aqueous KOH का functioning ये है, RX is converted into ROH. This X is replaced by this OH. Okay, here two types of reactions are there. One is SN1 and SN2 mechanisms. Later we will discuss about this mechanism because this is a lengthy topic. Okay, just functioning, just you remember here, in the presence of aqueous KOH, X is replaced by OH. Next, with moisture silver oxide. With moisture silver oxide, here side reaction is there, Ag2O. Moisture means water. It is reacting with water forming silver hydroxide. This is the side reaction. So this Rx is reacting with silver hydroxide. Very simple mechanism here. I am taking one example, ethyl chloride and AgOH. What you will do, just remove that AgCl. In remaining all questions, almost all questions, all reactions are similar. AgCl, if you remove the AgCl, what is your product? C2H5OH, ethyl alcohol बन गया. बस very simple. Next, here note point is that suppose if you are taking Ag2O is dry means no water. In that case, write this structure first. AgO2 structure is like this. Take Rx2 molecules. But your mechanism is same. What you have to do? Remove the AgX. Here AgX you remove. Here also AgX you remove it. Then what you will get? ROR. Right? Suppose if you are taking ethyl chloride in the presence of Ag2O, then what is your product? Diethyl ether. Very simple. AgX को निकालना है. Next question, alcoholic NH3. It is also known as Hofmann's ammonolysis. In case of Hofmann ammonolysis, what is there here? Also very simple reaction. Okay, RNH2. Suppose if you take NH3, it's fine. NH3 I am taking. What you will do? Remove the HX. First we remove that AgX. Now we are removing HX. What is your product? RNH2. If furtherly one more Rx is there, then again you have to remove HX. Then you will get R NH then R. Okay, so like this is a secondary, then it will give tertiary, then it will give quaternary also. Okay, quaternary I am writing here R4N plus Cl minus. This is the final product. Okay, if you want to get primary is major, then you have to take NH3 is the excess. Okay, alkyl halide if you take less, then only one is substituting. If you take more are substituting, you are getting quaternary. Right. Next, with sodium alkoxide, mechanism is very simple. RONA, alkoxide and alkyl halide, alkoxide and alkyl halide reacting and giving ether. What is the mechanism here? Sodium and X, remove it. Okay, suppose here methyl chloride is there, ethyl ethoxide is there, sodium ethoxide, remove this NaCl, bas that. Okay, this is the ether. It is also a named reaction, Williamson synthesis. Williamson synthesis, preparation of ether from where? Alkyl halide and sodium alkoxide. Sodium alkoxide. Here important thing is ether is the solvent. Wherever sodium is there, sodium in the presence of ether compulsory, because with water it is explosive. Now, important reaction here, KCN. In the KCN case, KCN is present like this, K plus Cn minus. Here carbon is the nucleophile. So R CH2Cl is there, Cn minus. Minus means this carbon has negative charge, right? R CH2Cn. Very simple. Okay, of course here we are removing the KCl. Okay, next, so this reaction is again little depends on the concept. Ag bond C triple bond N. Here Ag and C covalent bond is there, covalent bond. So this carbon cannot act as a nucleophile. So nitrogen has lone pair, so nitrogen acting as a nucleophile. So if you take ethyl chloride plus AgCN, now this nitrogen is attacking on this ethyl carbon. So C2H5NC, it is forming isocyanide. In case of AgCN. Reason is here carbon is already packed. Okay, nitrogen acting as the nucleophile, that's why NC, isocyanide, is forming. Right. Next, seventh, last, with silver carboxylate. Here Ag and X. Your work is very simple. You have to remove as AgCl, NaCl, HCl. Okay, just like you have to remove. Now R dash. See, I will take one example here. One is, I am taking ethyl chloride plus CH3COOAg. Then your wherever silver is there, in the place of silver this alkyl group will come, right? CH3COOC2H5. What is the product? Ethyl ethanoate. Its the functional group is ester. Right? Very simple reaction. Next, ethyl chloride with KCN. What is the product? KCN में K plus Cn minus, minus is carbon is attacking, so cyanide is forming. In case of AgCN, isocyanide is forming. Right? Next, methyl chloride plus dimethyl ether is forming, means obviously Williamson synthesis. In Williamson synthesis, methyl chloride, first you write the product structure, CH3OCH3 is there. Okay, one is methyl chloride, दूसरा क्या लेना है? Obviously methoxide लेना है. Methoxide minus इधर Na plus होगा. this NaCl will be removed. Okay, so sodium methoxide is the answer. Now alcoholic KOH. Alcoholic KOH functioning is minus HX. What is sodamide liquid ammonia? That is also minus HX, but it is a stronger. Okay, second time. So one time HX removed by alcoholic KOH, second time by sodamide. So your product will be